Hey, good morning, everyone. Well, here it's morning. It's Old Year's Day, and I'm going to do a review about this JMC KaiRui N800 cargo truck from the brand Xcartoys in a 1/64 scale. I've ordered this one on AliExpress. So let's have a look at the package. Read the frame if you want to read it, and if you can read it. Okay, it's still in the plastic. So it's also the first time I'm going to see it. This is the best way to do it. Yep, there we go. Box package, that is what I like. And also better for the environment. Very well packed and protected. Look, what a fantastic, nice little truck. Big side mirrors, I like that. Let's use some extra light. Nice interior, nice seats. Very good steering wheel. Good rolling wheels. The container is made out of plastic. This is made from diecast. This is also made plastic. Yeah, plastic, fantastic. But we got lanced headlights. And here we have the base. I don't know, but this looks pretty metal to me. Nice silver exhaust. And double wheels in the back, I like that. Spare tire here. And it's the same as the tires on the truck. And here we have the back, and I believe, yes, it can open. And there is something inside. Oh, that is cool. Not an empty truck, but there is something inside. Can we take that out? Doesn't look like it. So I'm going to leave it like that. Maybe if I push, but I don't want to break it. Here you can place a license plate. It also close very well. So it doesn't open that easy. Yeah, very cool truck. I like it. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget a thumbs up. Have a nice day. Bye.